Guess the top 10 unhealthiest desserts via hubpages.com.
Chocolate chip cookies.
Chocolate chip cookies are number 9.
What about brownies? Is it that broad?
It's not that broad, but I'll give you a brownie sundae as number 3.
Yep, at Friendly's.
Sure. There's one that has a brownie in it.
Chocolate cake. Lava cake.
Yes, chocolate lava cake is the most unhealthiest dessert on the planet, apparently.
Chocolate pudding pie.
Chocolate cream pie is number 8.
Yes,
there you
sir.
go. I think that's pretty much the same thing
Yes,
as a chocolate
sir.
pudding pie.
Banana split.
Banana split, number 10.
You
Surprising.
serious?
Yes, there's a fruit in it, but it's unhealthy.
Pumpkin pie.
No.
Carrot cake.
Carrot cake is the second most unhealthy dessert.
Yeah, which is it's a reverse entendre, whatever it's
Sure,
called.
whatever you're saying, sure. Gouda, Parmesan.
Gouda,
Goat.
Parmesan, goat,
Mozzarella.
cheesecake.
Yes, cheesecake is number 5. There you go. Italian.
Tiramisu.
Yes, tiramisu is number 6. Unhealthy. What's another name for dirt when it gets water on it?
Mudslide.
A mud pie. That's number 4. And then number 7 is a type of nut.
Pecan pie.
Pecan pie.
Pecan.
Pecan.